Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Still in Lahore, but only for today. So starting tonight, I fly home for 3 weeks. It's Janeth's birthday. I've got a few things I have to do at home, business-wise. And then I fly back here in 3 weeks. So the hotel, and this is my hotel, guys. Like a lot of hotels in Asia, it's got a shopping centre underneath. But upstairs is the Best Western Premier in Gula. I think it's Gula, but anyway, amazing hotel, guys. About 35 US a night, so not cheap, but really, really good. I'm really, really happy I'm staying here. And now, they're going to watch my gear as well, but I need to find a cheap bag to put all my riding gear in, my boots and my jacket and things. And hello. And yeah, it's like Bolivia here. Well, Bolivia, when I was in Bolivia in 2007, I think it was, everyone carrying around shotguns. But in Bolivia, the wives would make them bulletproof vests, so they were really just sandbags that the wives would sew together. So I've got to find a bag to put all my riding gear in, and they'll keep it in the storeroom for me. Really good hotel, guys. I had a place, the guy that helped me with my get my visa agent, he said I could leave my bike at his house, but it's an hour and 20 from the airport, an hour and 20 minutes from the airport. Where here I'm only about 10 kilometres from the airport, so it's about 20 minutes in an Uber, or I'll need to find out what ride share they use in Pakistan. I think it's Uber. But yeah, so this has been a long introduction. I'll get back to you when I find some bag shops. I know there's a heap of shops up here near the roundabout, so that's where I'm heading. And I'm walking. First walking I've done for a while. All these power cords going through the trees, guys. I was in Darwin once, and me and my friend were staying at this hostel, and it shuts its gates at 10 o'clock, and you weren't allowed back in. If you were there after 10, you weren't allowed back in. So I jumped the fence. It was about 1 o'clock in the morning, drunk out of our minds. And my mate sort of went to jump the fence, and he sort of flew back, landed on the ground on his back. And he's going, I just got an electric shock. I was like, nah, man, you're just drunk, man. You fell off the fence. And he's going, no, I got electric shock. And he's a Boilermaker, so he knows what electric shocks are. I'm telling him, nah, man, you're just pissed out of your mind. But what had happened, next morning he had a bruise, like all down his arm, and it sort of crossed his arm. What had happened is the tree was touching the electric cable, so the actual tree was hot, and when he touched the branch, when that branch touched him, it gave him a boot. So yeah, all these trees could be electric. Yeah, g'day Ron, if you're watching. Yeah, he was pretty badly hurt, and because that was back when I was a drunk, we just went and got on the piss. I think we got blind on Guinness that day, because Guinness were giving away these t-shirts. And a few days later he was feeling really bad, so we went to the hospital, and the hospital said, man, your arm's rotting from the inside and it's getting in your blood, giving you blood poisoning, so you got to come into the hospital. And he said, oh yeah, all right then, I just have to go and do something. So we went and got drunk. He never went to the hospital. He's still alive. Last time I saw him, he had a big dimple in his arm where the tree actually touched him, but he lived. But here we are. This is the shops that I'm hoping I can find a bag. Well guys, all over the world you see these co-working spaces. They're just people pay to work here. You just sit at a table with a whole lot of other people. You've got really good Wi-Fi things, but I don't understand, because I just lay in my nice comfy hotel bed and do all my editing. So I know there's other YouTubers that watch my stuff. If you guys could explain to me in the comments the advantages of paying for a co-working space, because I really don't get it. Unless it's just for the company. I suppose some people might be more motivated with people around them. But yeah, I really don't get it. And here's a better shot of my hotel, the Premier Best Western. I'm on the 6th floor. Reception's on the 4th floor. Yeah, guys, really good hotel, happy people. But everywhere in Pakistan, such friendly, happy people. But I really like this hotel. Quality. Where a lot of even 5-star hotels, some of them, yeah, like that one that I showed you a couple of videos ago, or last video I think. The Meridian, that was just shit. And it was twice the price of this one. Well, it is Janet's birthday, so let's come in and get cleaned up. It's okay? How long? Okay. Yep. I kind of thought of doing this, but it is Janet's birthday, so I should go there. This guy wanted to give me a massage, but no, I just want a haircut. And you'll see the results when it's finished. But yeah, this is the barber here. He's the one that's going to be doing it. And I've just got to wait 2 minutes for him to finish this one. And he's doing an amazing job there. So, guys, you probably noticed it before. Look at that sign up behind me now. They open at 9 o'clock in the morning and shut at 12:30 a.m. So, for 15 and a half hours a day, they keep the shop open. We're very lucky to be born in the West. And this is where I had my hair cut, the Jani Hair Salon. That's my hotel just there. Great haircut, guys. It cost $10, but it included an hour-long head and shoulder massage. I was just about asleep. I feel like a new man. And I got a bag. Hopefully this will be big enough for what I need. As usual, they wouldn't take any money. This country's just incredible, guys. All the bad stuff in the press, and I have to admit, when I first saw the Urdu alphabet, that gave me a bit of oh, but that's because we're programmed to feel like that. It's we're programmed by the press. It's but guys, come and visit Pakistan. Unbelievable. And here's some more friendly, happy Pakistanis calling me over from across the road just to say hello. I really do love this country. Salam alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. This is my taxi driver, guys. We're on our way to the airport. It's really early. I don't fly for 6 hours, but the hotel gave me free late checkout at 3 o'clock. My flight's at 9:30. It's about 3:45 now. So yeah, guys, it's better to get there early. I could have stayed at the hotel till 6, but it would have been quite expensive. So the police have stopped us. For some reason, I'm not allowed to go this way. You've got to go to the airport another way. And they won't give me my passport back to wear it this side of the road. I don't know what the fuck's going on, really. Well, we made it to the airport with that bit of a detour. My flight's not even checking in yet, but you guys have been following my channel for a while. You're used to me arriving at the airports really early, having to wait for check-in. As soon as I get check-in, I'll go upstairs, get a lounge, eat some food, get nice and comfy. But for now, hello, salam alaikum. But for now, I'm just waiting. Now I'm in the lounge, the airport lounge. We're booked in, ready to go. Got my boarding passes. Maybe an hour till boarding. 5-hour flight to KL, maybe 4 hours in KL, and it's home, guys. I'm excited. I'm a bit wrecked. So maybe you can't see the excitement, but I'm happy to see Janet relax for a bit. Bloody hell, I just got priority boarding for a senior citizen. Cheeky bastards. And we're in Kuala Lumpur. Now I've just got to find out when my next flight is. There is a TV here. Oh. It's usually, when they're connecting flights like this, it's usually pretty close. But let's see. And we have to get the bus to the other terminal. That's right, we've got hours, guys. We've got about 4.5 hours before the flight. Oh, I had a good sleep on the plane, slept most of the way actually. Where is this bus? Well guys, that was a nice trip. Back home now. It's actually about a week and a half later. Janet's birthday today, so we're running around getting everything ready for her. We've got about 35 people coming for dinner. So she's pretty happy. Well, she's pretty stressed, but she always gets stressed in times like this. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment. Give me a big thumbs up. Share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.